The Fauna Escape Hatch, funded by TMR's Coomera Connector Stage 1 project and developed by Endeavour Veterinary Ecology, has achieved 2 major milestones. Verified by Infrastructure Sustainability Council as an Australian first innovation, and included in the Queensland Government's Fauna-Sensitive Transport Infrastructure Delivery Manual, which means this smart one-way barrier designed to help koalas safely exit road corridors is no longer just a trial. It's becoming standard practice. This practical research-backed solution is currently in use and making a difference across our state, rolling out on major projects across Queensland like Stage 1 of the Coomera Connector, Pacific Motorway M1 Varsity Lakes to Tugun upgrade, and even with councils like Moreton Bay. A small door making a big difference for koalas and wildlife-friendly transport infrastructure for Queensland's future.